Kuringana na munene wa murugamiriri wa Rũhonge rwa ũkinyanĩria wa motungata ma thirikari Eliud Owalo, thirikari nĩ kwambia mĩhang'o ya gũthũrima honge ciothe ciayo, na rũrĩa rwakorwo rutiraruta wĩra no kũninwo rũrĩninagwo kana rũkanyitithanio na ingĩ.
Gone are the days when we kept on pumping money into organizations which are not performing. It does not make sense. It simply does not make sense. Either you justify your existence or you face closure. And recently you saw that we have proposed certain mergers, of institutions, or we have also opted to do away with certain institutions.
Owalo aretie hĩndĩ ya gĩikaro gĩa gũthũrima rũhonge rwa ũtambia wa ũkinyanĩria wa tabarĩra cia hinya wa thitima matũũra-inĩ REREC makĩroraga wĩra ũrĩa rũrutĩte mwaka wa 2023 na wa 2024.
Able to collect over 4 billion shillings, and we have done a lot in also improving on how many people then access electricity. We have done 17 counties now and about 75 constituencies. We are still working with the rest of them, and our hope is that we can get on board the 290 constituencies.
Virtually everybody in the public service is going to be held accountable. Moving forward, we also want to tie performance evaluation or performance contracting to reward management. To the extent that those institutions which excel in performance or exceed in the set target will be rewarded commensurately, through the necessary support, including but not limited to additional funding by the Exchequer. But equally, those institutions or organizations which are not performing will face sanctions, including individuals in those organizations.
Augite thirikari ireka maya mothe gutigirira muingi ni urarutirwo wira na thirikari ni yakinyaniria maria yereire Wanjiku makiria hoka ni kumaruta gikiro gia thi na kumatwara kia iguru.
It's basically a question of justifying your existence as an organization. So I really want to urge you guys to work as hard as possible so that you effectively execute your mandate and support the implementation of the bottom-up economic transformation agenda as is envisaged.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Jenga Wambui.